solid. Right here, tap it. Solid. Maybe tap in there, just open. You get the SD card. This is a good deal. Okay. Second, you get the SD filler. Okay, that's good. So you get battery. You get the battery second, third. Okay. Then just the box. It's nothing. Then we're getting a big thing. Okay. This box too. So same thing. Got to open it. Okay. One more. Two box comes out. Let's see that. Sure. PG. Just like two boxes comes out. Like one is big and one is mini. So yeah. Big one, yeah. It's the battery. Player. Extra flying. Charger USB. Remote controller. Your phone connector. Type-C. It's a guideline DJ book. It's the remote. The remote. Cool. And then finally get out. Draw. Wow, that's cool. Like that. So cool. So I can open it right here in the box. Peel it, I think, yeah. Higher. Go right here. Stapler. Then you open it. There we go. There we go. Just there we go. Just the phone. Just the complete phone for the Game Boy, not moving. Is the oh, that's cool. Okay. Okay, there we go. Just the battery. Your SD card is going there and charging there. Right here, battery. It's got spray light.